My video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications that are coming from the website Clockwerkday.space. Clockwerkday.space. If you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, then your computer is possibly in danger, because the website Clockwerkday.space is a fake human verification alert. It actually tries to make you download and install certain adware type feature into your browser called push notifications. If you click on this allow button, this website will start delivering the great portion of junk advertisements that will be displayed as permanent web push notifications that will be attacking your screen. So if the allow button was mistakenly clicked, your browser will be hijacked. You may be brought to some other questionable sites. Also, you may start receiving the great portion of ads on your computer screen. Mainly these ads will come up in the right part of the screen. So to deactivate these ads, you should urgently implement some fixes. Access the menu, go to Settings, go to Security and Privacy, Site Settings, then go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this Clockwerkday.space, you must remove this junk site from the list. To make sure that your system is free of other hidden threats, I strongly advise that you scan it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program. Using this green button, install the software and start researching your device to detect and eliminate all other threats from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.